All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go today. What we're doing, we got 300 Blackout Barnes Vor-Tx. We're going to just show the elevation differences at 25, 50, and 100 yards. Usually 100 yards is about your most common in under for hunting. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of people who going to be a lot of you out there that take the 150, 200 yard shots if you got it available. But for most people, the longest shot's under 100 yards. The longest available shot. So here we go. You're just going to show the elevation difference at 25, at 50, and 100 yards with the Barnes Vor-Tx 300 Blackout. All right, here we go. This is the Barnes 300 Blackout, 25, 50, and 100 elevation difference. As you can see, at 25, we're hitting it below at the bottom. At 50, we're about dead center on the elevation, and at 100, we're still roughly about dead center. So it was a little low at 25. But as you see, 50 and 100, it's about level. Now here's a little bonus feature for y'all. As you see, it's hitting in at 25 right here. You see how close we are. And then at 50, still okay. But you get out to 100, that angle, how that angle has grown, has angled out. You see, aiming right here, we're already about 2 inches over. So if you're sitting there and you're sighting your rifle in at 25 yards and you're hitting right here and thinking that's okay, you need to realize at 100 yards, it's going to go, you're already looking at 2 inches off. So on the next shot, in a headshot on a pig or a next shot on a deer, that's the difference of not getting it right there. Shoulder shot, yeah, that'd be okay, but you start multiplying that out to 150, 200 yards, you're looking at being, yeah, that's why you need to hit it. But there you go. Thanks for watching.